beautiful people. We're in Capitolio again, which is sort of like the restaurant capital of Metro Manila. And we're going to a very special place. It's called SPICY HOT Szechuan Noodle House. And as the name suggests, this place is not for the faint-hearted. Their Szechuan ramen noodle soup could strip the paint off a car. I came here yesterday, just a reconnaissance mission, as I do, and the noodles were absolutely delicious. So I'm going to vlog it, and I've almost managed to get over the burnt mouth from yesterday. They're not mucking around here. This place serves really spicy Szechuan noodles. SPICY HOT Szechuan Noodle House, and it's rather dark because they've left all the lockdown hoardings up. So that would normally be a shop window there, but it's got corrugated iron up because they locked down for a period of time during the pandemic. The idea is that you basically put your noodle dish together. So you can have beef, seafood or pork, and then you can choose your broth, which is either a spicy Szechuan with mushrooms, greens and a fried egg, or a spicy Assam laksa with cucumber, pineapple strips, greens and an egg, or a non-spicy classic, which has mushrooms, grains and fried egg in it as well. But we'll go for the spicy Szechuan. Then there are 4 levels of hot, of heat. The cafe offers the Manileño masochist 4 designated levels of spicy hell. First degree burn is the entry point for those sensitive souls whose virgin tongues can't handle the heat. Second degree burn is for the amateur masochist. Third degree burn is for the more adventurous gourmand with a penchant for pain, an affinity for agony, or simply a vlogger trying to show off. And lastly, ultimate, the final level of torment, a punishment one would only prescribe for the most egregious of sins. This is our server, Ainami. So, I'm going to this time I'll have seafood, spicy Szechuan, and I'll have 3rd degree burn.
3rd degree burn?
Yeah, because I don't think I could eat ultimate. I think it's too hot. And I'll also have the kuchai pork dumplings. I'll have 5.
5 pieces.
It's served in the takeaway container. Right. So everything's served in takeaway containers because of these pandemic times. It's piping hot. And it's a really big serve. But it's a little bit too hot to eat just at the moment. Temperature hot. So this black vinegar is really nice. Sort of fruity. Oh yeah. Dumplings, lovely. All right. 3rd degree burn. Oh, it's very spicy. Oh boy. I don't know how anyone could eat the ultimate. Again, we're a bit early. It's not even 12 o'clock yet, so that's why the place is empty. I came here yesterday at around about the same time, and by the time I left, it was full. Every table taken. So it's pretty popular, and they do a lot of takeout, a lot. Our waitress from last time is gone, so we're asking this person, sorry, what's your name?
March.
Marsh.
Yes.
My name's Marshall. Marshall, actually. This is the 3rd degree burn,
Yes, sir.
Szechuan.
Szechuan.
What's the most popular?
Szechuan, beef Szechuan or seafood Szechuan, our best seller.
This is the seafood Szechuan.
Yes, sir.
What level of spice?
Automatic first degree, first Szechuan.
Just 1st degree?
Yes, sir.
That's the most popular?
Yes, it's the most popular.
Does anyone order the ultimate?
They have, sir. Sometimes double ultimate.
Wait, what?
Double ultimate.
Oh.
Sometimes. Yes.
Oh, double ultimate.
Yes, sir.
Right, okay, so mine's 3rd degree. This
Yes.
is very spicy.
Very spicy.
Like it's burning my whole face. But it's delicious. It's absolutely
Thank you so much, sir.
All right, well, thank you.
Thank you so much,
Thank
sir.
you. All right, let's get back to it. Oh, double ultimate. I can't even imagine what that'd be like. Oh. This is much spicier than yesterday. As I sniffed and groaned and wiped the tears from my eyes, I got to thinking, what is it that makes chilies so hot? Turns out there's a substance called capsaicin in them that gives them their hot, peppery taste. The chemical stimulates areas of the skin and tongue that normally sense heat and pain, fooling the brain into thinking that the skin, or in this case, my tongue, is actually burning. It's delicious. Oh. It's really spicy. Oh, my hands are starting to shake. Finished. That was the spiciest thing I've eaten in a very long time. But it was really nice. It was just perhaps a little bit over my spice threshold. Oh, so I've got the bill, 315 pesos, 235 pesos for the seafood Szechuan, and 80 pesos for the kuchai pork dumplings, fried pork dumplings. There's no service on that, with VAT included. 315, pretty good. I'm sweating. All right. Whoa. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks very much. Black Scoop Cafe. This is a nice little place, but it's completely empty. Nobody here. It's funny, with Christmas coming up, it's made me start to sort of think about why I'm here and what's going on, what I've achieved during this year. And the pandemic, like for everybody, has just thrown all plans out the window. But in the last 11 months, I've managed to establish a YouTube channel. I've got 6,500 subscribers and over 500,000 views. But I've hardly met anybody. I don't know anybody. Because, everybody's walking around with a mask and a shield and social distancing, and it's just not a good time to be networking or trying to make friends. So it's a mixed feeling, sort of mixed emotions coming up to the end of the year. But all in all, it has been a fantastic experience, but a strange one.